Hi, I'm so excited that you've reached out, and I'm very excited to share with you what I think would be important for you to cover during your training for your future colleagues or students. So, some of the things I've been learning about recently is the 4 C's, which is the important 21st century skills. So, first we have communication, and communication lets students learn how to best convey their ideas, and this can work with teachers as well. So, just being better communicators and being clear and giving accurate thoughts and overall just giving people your best ideas in the most easy and simple way. So next we have collaboration. This one's pretty self-explanatory. We just want to show students how they should work together to achieve that common goal. And for teachers, we're always collaborating with each other. So it's very important that we give the best way to talk to each other in the most simple and easy way, like I said in the last one. Next, we have critical thinking, and this is all about solving problems. So effectively solving problems, quickly solving problems, that kind of stuff. And lastly, we have creativity. Creativity teaches students to think outside the box and teaches teachers to find those ways to allow students to teach outside the box. So next, another thing that would be important for your training would be the ISTE important standards. So there's a big long list of all the standards, but these are the ones that I felt were most important. So first you have the leader standard, and this is seeking opportunities for leadership to empower your students and to improve their teaching, to improve their learning and the teacher's teaching. We just want to show the students that we are the leaders and show that initiative that a natural leader will show. So next we have the designer standard, and this effectively shows how to teach methods that work for all students. So we want to create those worksheets that work for all students, create those lessons that work for all students. This is kind of tricky because all different learning styles, but a designer would effectively be able to create those effective teaching methods. And the last one that I thought was important was the collaborator skill. And this devotes time to collaborate with both colleagues and students to improve practices, discover and share ideas, and lastly, to solve problems. So even as non-teachers, everyone is collaborating. So we want to make sure we are devoting that time to collaborate with not only our friends in the building, but the students and even the parents involved. And this will just improve practices and overall just share ideas. And naturally, when we collab with others, we solve problems. Thanks.